Hello everyone, this is Easy Math. In this video, we are going to see Class 6 Mathematics, Chapter 3, Ratio and Proportion, in which we are going to see exercise 3.2. In this 1 to 5, we have done in the previous audio. Now we will start from question number 6. Look at it. Let us read. Divide the numbers given below in the required ratio. Required ratio means whatever ratio is given in the question, in that ratio you should divide the given numbers. Which is the given number here? 20. So you should divide 20 in the ratio 3:2. That is, the meaning is you got some, for example, we'll say we have 20 apples. I got 20 apples. Or 20 chocolates. We can take whichever we like. Now, you get 3 parts and your friend gets 2 parts. That means, first of all, we should divide this 20 into 5 parts. Divide 20 into 5 parts. I have 20 chocolates. Divide them into 5 equal groups. So, each group will have 4 chocolates. You add 4 plus 4, 8 plus 4, 12 plus 4, 16, 16 plus 4, 20. So, 20 is equally divided into 5 groups. And you get all the 3 groups and your friend gets only 2 parts. So you will get 4 plus 4 plus 4, 12 and your friend gets 4 plus 4, 8. Okay, this is the meaning, the concept of the problem. But here the some numbers are small, we can just count and divide. Suppose if the numbers are larger, suppose if there are 2500, divide 2500 in the ratio 6:7. Then what to do? It is not possible to draw pictures like this. So we need a mathematical concept to do the sum. That is, there are only 2 steps. First, write the given ratio. Ratio is 3:2. And you add the terms. This 3 and 2 are called the terms of the ratio. You add the terms. You get the total parts is 3 plus 2 equal to 5. Now, we'll take the first part 3. 3 parts means 3 by 3 out of, that means 3 by this total 5. Out of 5 parts, the first one is getting 3 parts. Out of 5, out of the total, what is the first term? It is 3. So 3 divided by the total 5 into what number we are going to divide, we are going to share. It is 20. So 3 divided by the total into the given number 20. Now 20 means we can put by 1 and cancel. 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20. That's all, cancelling is done. 3 fours are 12. See, we get the same answer, 12. So this is by understanding we do, and this is by using the mathematical concepts. And the second part is what? 2 parts. Now you tell me now, finding second one is very easy. We know the total. What is the total? Totally there are 20. So the first portion is 12. So from 20 you take away 12. What is left? 8 gives you the second portion. Or we can follow the same method here. If you, just like the previous step, if you are doing, what will you do? The alternate method is, second portion is 2. So we get 2 by the total. 2 divided by total into 20 by 1. So 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20, 4 twos are 8. We get the same answer. This is as the first step we are doing. Or once you out of 20, 12 is 12. The first person gets 12. And the remaining is for the second one. So total minus the first portion. 20 minus 12 gives you 8. This is the easy way of finding the second one. Or this is just like the previous step. Okay. Look at the second one. Is divide 27 in the ratio 4:5. You have to divide 27 in the ratio 4:5. So what is the first step? Find the total parts, which is 4 plus 5, 9. Now what is 4 parts? You tell me now, just like the previous sum. 4 divided by the total 9 into, we have to divide 27 chocolates. So by 1, 9 ones are 9, 9 threes are 27 and 4 threes are 12. First one gets 12. And now what is 5 parts now? Finding the second one is very easy. Total is, what is the total? Total is 27. From that, the first portion, the first student or the first one gets 12. So what is the leftover? The second one gets the remaining. What is 27 minus 12? 7 minus 2 is 5. 2 minus 1 is 1. 15. Got it? So add the first step is add the terms. These 4 and 5 are called the terms of the ratio. This we have seen in the introduction. Anyway, I am recalling again and again. Add the terms. 4 plus 5 is 9. So 4 parts means 4 divided by the total 9 into the given number 27. So we get the first part. And to get the second part, the total minus the first part will give you the second part. Question number 6, third one. Divide 40 in the ratio 6:14. So first step, total parts, 6 plus 14 is 20. Now what is next? 6 parts. What is 6 parts? 6 parts is 6 divided by the total 20 into, what are we going to divide? What are we going to share? 40 we are going to share. So 40 by 1. Cancel. 0, 0. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 twos are 4, so 2 6 are 12 is the first part. Now second one is 14 parts. How to find 14 parts? From the total 40, you subtract the first one, 12. So we get the second portion. From 0 we cannot cut, so borrow. 10 minus 2 is 8 and 3 minus 1 is 2. It is 28. The first one gets 12 and second one gets a 28. Now let us read the next one. What is it? In a family, the amount spent in a month for buying provisions and vegetables are in the ratio 3:2. What are provisions? We buy rice, sugar, dal, all that. All those such things are called provisions. And vegetables, we know, isn't it? You know what are vegetables? Yes, carrot, beetroot, bean, tomato, onion, all these are vegetables. So we need to buy provisions and vegetables every month, isn't it? What are this? For our food, okay, to eat. Now, if the allotted amount is rupees 4,000, then what will be the amount spent for provisions and vegetables? Children, if you just listen, read and understand the question, it is just like the question number 6. But here it is given directly. It is given as a sum. The numbers are given directly, but here it is given as a statement problem. That is word problem or story problem. So from this story, we have to understand the story and write this in the form of the previous one as simple, just in one line. This 4-line story, we have to write it into one line. That is the only difference. After that, doing the sum is the solving is the same. So it is provisions is to vegetables. Provisions is 3 and vegetables is 2. We cannot change the order of ratio. So provisions and vegetables means 3 for provisions and 2 for vegetables. And how much money you have? We have 4,000 rupees. This 4,000 rupees, out of 4,000, 3 parts we have to fence for provisions and 2 parts we have to spend for vegetables. So if you write this just like the previous one, how do you write? Divide 4,000 in the ratio 3:2. That is the question. Simplified form of the story problem is divide 4,000 in the ratio 3:2. Right. So the total amount is 4,000. Therefore, the total parts is the ratio is 3:2. So it is 3 plus 2, 5. So for provisions, we get 3 parts. 3 parts means 3 by 5 into what is the total amount we have? 4,000 rupees by 1. Now cancel. 5 ones are 5. 5 8s are 50. 0. 5 8s are 40. Then 0 0. Now multiply. That's all. Cancelling is over. 3 8s are 24. How many zeros? 2 zeros. So how much rupees we spent for provisions? 2,400. Therefore, what is second one? Therefore, for vegetables. How much we are spending for vegetables? We had 4,000 rupees. In that, we are spending 2,400 for provisions. And the leftover money is for vegetables. So, from the total, you subtract provisions, we get for vegetables. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. Now, borrow here. 10 minus 4 is 6 and 3 minus 2 is 1. So 1,600 rupees we are spending for vegetables and 2,400 for provisions. Got it, children? Got it? A line segment 63 centimeter long is to be divided into 2 parts in the ratio 3:4. Find the length of each part. So now it is easy to understand. We have to divide 63 in the ratio 3:4. Just like it has become like question number 6. You have a long line, 63 centimeter. We should divide into how many parts? 2 portions. The first one consists of 3 parts and second one consists of 4 parts. And the total length of the line segment is 63 centimeter. So let us rewrite the problem. Look at it. We have a line segment. Total length of the line segment is 63 centimeter. And we are dividing into how many portions? 7 portions. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And it is divided into 2 parts. First is 3 parts. 1, 2 line segments. We have to cut it into 2 portions. First one consists of 3 parts. 1, 2, 3 till here. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is one piece and this is one piece. The line segment is cut into 2 parts and the first part consists of 3 portions and the second one is 4 portions. Now what is it? We are supposed to find the length of this and the length of the second part. So it is in the ratio 3:4. So total parts is 3 plus 4, 7. So 3 parts means 3 by 7 into what is the total length of the line segment? 63 by 1. 7 ones are 7, 7 nines are 63. So 3 nines are 27 centimeter is the first part. So what is the second one now? How to find? From here to here, this is 27 centimeter and the total is 63. The total is 63 till here 27. So what is the leftover? It is 63 minus 27. 63 minus 27. Subtract. From 3 we cannot cut. So borrow. 13 minus 7 is 6. 5 minus 2 is 36 centimeter is the length of the second portion. Understood? Now we'll move on to objective type questions. 2:3 and 4:dash are equivalent ratios. Then the missing term is equivalent ratios. What are equivalent ratios? They form a proportion. That is, the 2 into the last term should be equal to the means 3 into 4. So what is 3 fours are? You multiply. 3 fours are 12. So 2 into what number gives 12? Tell 2 tables till you get 12. Yes, it is 2 6 are 12. Where do you have 6? Here. Option A is the correct answer. Look at the second one. An equivalent ratio of 4:7. That is 4:7 means 4 by 7. This is equal to, will it be equal to 1 by 3? No, 4 numerators are different, denominators are different. It is already in simplified form. This is not an equivalent ratio. What about this? See, compare numerator 4 into 2. Numerator is multiplied by 2. So denominator also should multiply by 2. 7 2s are 14. But here it is given 15. So this is also not an equivalent ratio. Look at it. From 4 we are getting 14. That is 4 equal to 14 by 8 we have to check. 4 into no number gives us 14 and 7 into nothing gives you 8. So this if you cancel it will become 7 2s are 14, 4 2s are 8. You get 7 by 4. But 4 by 7 and 7 by 4 are not equal. Now compare them with this. Given ratio is 4 by 7 and we are comparing with 12 by 21. 4 3s are 12. 7 3s are 21. Both numerator and denominator are multiplied by the same number. And we are getting 12 by 21. So the equivalent ratio is 12:21. Next is, which is not an equivalent ratio of 16 by 24. Not an equivalent ratio. See, you 6 into nothing gives 16. And 9 into nothing gives 24. So this is not an equivalent ratio of 16 by 24. Anyway, we'll check. When you simplify this, otherwise one more way of doing is, you simplify this 16 and 24, we can simplify by 8 tables. 2 8s are 16, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24. The cancelling by 8 tables. 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24. Now cancel this, what do you get? 2 3s are 6. Otherwise cancelling by 3 tables. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So we cancel by 3 tables, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, we get the same thing. We are supposed to find not an equivalent ratio, but this is an equivalent ratio. Now 12 and 18, again we can cancel by 6 tables. 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, again they are equivalent fractions. Now 10 and 15 we can cancel by 5 tables. 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, they are equivalent ratio. Same 2 by 3 we are getting. 20 and 28, both are divisible by what tables? 2 tables. 2 tens and more than that it are divisible by 4 tables also. 4 5s are 20, 4 sevens are 28, isn't it? 4 fives are 20 in 4 tables. Both the number come in 4 tables. 4 fives are 20, 4 sevens are 28. So it is 5 by 7. All these are 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 2 by 3. These three ratios are equivalent ratios of 16 by 24. But 20 by 28 is 5 by 7. This is not 10. Question is not an equivalent ratio. So option D is our answer. Next, if rupees 1600 is divided by A and B in the ratio 3:5, then B's share. B's share means it's just like the previous sum we have done in the before the adjective types. What is it? Then we are supposed to find B's share. B is getting 5 out of how many? 5 out of total parts. 3 plus 5 is 8. And what is the amount you are sharing? 1600. Okay, so cancel. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16 and 2 zeros. So 5 into 200, what it becomes? 5 twos are 10 and put 2 zeros with that. You get 1000, which is where you have option C is a correct answer. 1600 divided among A and B in the ratio 3:5. So first add the terms. 3 plus 5 is 8. We are supposed to find only B's share. So B is second one. A to be A is 3, B is 5. 5 by total parts is 8 into 1600. You cancel them, you get 1000 as B's share. Okay children, with this exercise 3.2 gets over and the next topic is proportion. We will see in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Thank you children.